So I have here the dehumidifier ProBreeze. Here is the container where is storage the water. You can see it here where the water is. So I emptied it this morning, and so it's empty. And you just pull it here on the sides, and you just empty it. So here at the moment is on sleep mode, but you have here like continuous auto. So I'm going to remove it from the sleep mode, and I'm going to the continuous. So it's worth it. Every couple of days I empty it, and it's from Amazon. It's worth it, yeah.